In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ETH future while talking about Ethereum cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Ethereum. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Ethereum value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that ETH is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will ETH succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Ethereum value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is ETH and its to-date history. Ethereum value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. October 1, 2022. Plus 5.09% $1,396.95. October 2, 2022. Plus 7.31% $1,426.40. October 3, 2022. Plus 1.96% $1,355.33. October 4, 2022. Plus 3.35% $1,373.79. October 5, 2022. Plus 1.46% $1,348.72. October 6, 2022. Plus 3.54% $1,376.36. October 7, 2022. Plus 2.99% $1,368.96. October 8, 2022. Plus 8.70% $1,444.91. Ethereum value forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October plus 0.13% $1,331.05. 2022 November plus 0.66% $1,338.06. 2022 December plus 9.07% $1,449.90. 2023 January plus 12.63% $1,497.18. 2023 February plus 13.18% $1,504.46. 2023 Blemish plus 24.78% $1,658.73. 2023 April plus 31.35% $1,746.04. 2023 May plus 39.98%, $1,860.73. 2023 June plus 41.34%, $1,878.78. 2023 July plus 53.90%, $2,045.71. 2023 August plus 51.63%, $2,015.55. 2023 September plus 56.00%, $2,073.67. ETH value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees ETH coming to $10,315.16 in 2025. What will ETH be worth in 5 years? The cost of ETH in 5 years could lie around $3,172.71. Ethereum value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Ethereum will be worth in 2030. Our Gwajing model sees Ethereum coming to $25,787.90 in 2030. What Ethereum will be worth in 2040. Our determining model sees Ethereum coming to $51,575.80 in 2040. Is Ethereum worth purchasing? We are promoters of modestly hazardous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with tremendous potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, Ethereum merits purchasing. Is Ethereum a wise venture? Ethereum is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a dangerous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Ethereum be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $1,220.27. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $25,787.90 or considerably higher. For what reason will Ethereum succeed and become more expensive? Ethereum has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Ethereum ascending to $25,787.90 in 2030. For what reason will Ethereum come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat in light of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are, group denounces any and all authority and leaves the task, controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of very much planned promoting technique, losing local area support, possible weakness.